Right now I am at Electronica stalls where they has officially unveiled latest EDM machine NEO, ZNC and ADO Submerge, making a significant addition to its machining portfolio for Die Mould industry.
50% of my setup is occupied by the Electronica product, and I'm proud about the Electronica. Their technology, their assistance after sales and after backup is a fantastic always. And I'm still planning at the age of after having so many, I'm still planning to buy for some more machines with them. That much association and always helpful and family relations. I'm wishing all the best to the company, and they have inaugurated these machines by my hands, and today they have called me for inaugurating this machine. Is with upgraded technology. I am just seeing the machine. It's a fantastic look, workmanship and everything.
We welcome you for this Die Mould exhibition. We are now launching our new generation 2 machines. You do visit to our stall, hall number 2, I-41. Please do come.